Okay, so this exercise is called a partial chair squat. Okay, so I'm just sitting on a chair or a bench. Okay, and I'm starting in a seated position, and then I'm just going to use my hands to help me partially start to stand up. Okay, so we're working our way up to being able to do a full stand up and sit down squat with a chair. Okay, but this is getting us ready. So we're just partially standing up with the help of our hands helping us up, okay? And then sitting back down, okay? And we're doing it slow and controlled, okay? So we're just going to help ourselves up a little ways and then come back down, okay? And just come up however high up you can come up, okay? And as you do these more, you're going to slowly start to be able to do a full stand up and sit down chair squat, okay? So go out, give this a try, and make it a great day.